Hooray, it's the 1st of May, 2024, and this is Travels with Dottie, and I'm delighted that it's May. It means that I have one more month here, and 1 month and about a week and a half, and I will be departing for lovely New Mexico state parks and be reuniting a little bit with some friends that I have out there, and hopefully I'll be seeing author Deborah Dickinson, Frugal RV gal, Sally Forth, and maybe some others. We'll see. And it's always nice to reunite with friends. And I think in about 5 weeks, I'm going to be ready for a change, ready to depart Pahrump and head to let me move this a little bit, head to the mountains of beautiful New Mexico. And I'll be showing you what it's like, where I'm going every step of the way, I promise. Today, right now, I have pretty much the day off. The only obligation I have is I'm on my way to now. I am going to the chiropractor. And this has become a real necessity for me. This chiropractor really saved me from a real debilitating problem last year. And the treatment I'm getting this year is getting me really on the road back to pretty much normal. I'm pretty excited about that, but I still have a ways to go. And I'm probably going to have to drive my decision to come back to Pahrump in the fall before I go to Quartzsite to get, I think I need at least 6 or 8 weeks of additional treatment after the summer before I go to Quartzsite. And I cannot get these treatments just anywhere that I go. I can't just go to any chiropractor because he uses a very specific method that is fairly unique, and doing other methods with other chiropractors it might not be good for me. So I have to be careful of that. Because I've been to several chiropractors in my life, and this is the only one that has made a meaningful difference in how I feel and how I'm able to move. So I'm pretty excited about that. But New Mexico state parks, I'm excited. I'll redo, I think my annual pass expires, I think, July or end of June. I'll be renewing that probably as soon as I get there for another year. There was a big scare that they were going to get rid of the annual pass, but they have yet to do it. They had a timeline and they postponed it. I'm thinking maybe they will eventually do it. Let's see if I can get a little shade here. There, that's a little better. But for right now, they're not doing it, and I'm going to take advantage of the wonderful deal they have as long as I possibly can. I hope they don't change it. I hope what they do is maybe make it a little pricier. Not a lot pricier, but a little pricier. I'd be glad to pony up a little bit more cash to the state of New Mexico, to those fine people, because the deal that now you get $225 for a pass and you get to camp with electric and water for $4 a night. Do you want to make it $6 a night and charge me $325? Yeah, okay. I'll gladly pay that. I'm all in favor of the Department of Parks in New Mexico having enough money to maintain those beautiful places, and I'm happy to contribute to that. But doing things like tripling the nightly rate and getting rid of the parking pass completely and the annual pass completely, and tripling or quadrupling the rates, the thought is that it'll get them their budget back up to where it needs to be very quickly, but I think they'll lose a lot of people. So anyway, I hope they do something that we can all agree to live with. And because one thing I think we can all agree on is the deal that I told you, $225 a year and $4 a night, it's two things. It's a screaming deal for the camper, but it's not a good deal for the people of New Mexico. It's not enough money. It's not good enough. Something needs to be done about that. And I'm a big supporter of the idea that rates need to be raised. It's been, I think, over 20 years since they've had any kind of rate increase. And they're not able to survive properly with that. So anyway, I'm very excited about going out there, and I'm about to get to the chiropractor here, and I'll get my adjustment, and we'll figure out what's up for the day, and whether the day brings another video or not. I don't know, because I have no idea what I'm going to do. But if it's something interesting, I promise I'll take you with me. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm very grateful that you do. And we have arrived. Something just fell on my leg. I'll have to figure out what it was. See you later.